Di ba? Doon ka ano lang, doon ka Star City lang.
I said, are you ready?
Yes!
Max! Max! We have code red!
Doon PU.
I've never seen Kuala Lumpur like this before.
Guys, nandito na tayo sa Genting Sky World. Ayun guys, so nakapasok na ako. Siginan ko lang yung code ko sa cloak. And then, fingerprint. And then okay na. So nandito na tayo sa loob. Tara, let's explore the place. Ito, tingnan nyo. Yan, meron agad silang mga kainan. Yan, ito pa lang yung entrance. Wala pa tayo sa pinaka parang pasad ng buong theme park. But so far, it's nice. Meron silang mga binibentang mga poncho. Wow! Para sakaling umulan. Yan, nandito may mga kainan din. Wow, very, very nice. Dito, mga stuffed toys. Diba, doon ka ano lang, doon ka Star City lang. Ate guys, isik-isik kita guys. Hindi ko alam kung ulan ba o talagang dahil nga medyo foggy. Kaya siguro medyo maulan. Pero so far ang ganda dito. Tatinan nyo. So, Independence Day Defiance. Wow! Yan, dito na tayo sa loob. Pinapasok. Ewan ko ba. Laba siyang pila.
Recruits, are you ready for your briefing? I said, are you ready?
Yes!
Welcome to the Earth Space Design Center. The recruits, our mission begins with this.
The alien specimens kept at this facility. I get daily reports from our deep space surveillance network, which warns us of any suspect activity in the... Hold on, recruits. I am getting an urgent signal near the rings of Saturn. I'll be right back.
Okay, Max, I'll take over. Sorry about that, recruits. What Max was about to show you is this. Don't be alarmed. Our alien friend here has been placed in a deep induced coma and poses no danger. The ESD team has been studying this living alien to help us to understand our enemy from the inside out, to learn how he thinks and how he sees the world. Everyone, like I said. Shut up, everyone! Shut up! Max! Max! We have code red! Max, do you copy, Max?
What's going on?
It's a code red! Code red! Code red!
I think the signal from Saturn is agitating our alien friend. Administer a dose of
Copy that!
anesthesia to calm him down. The signal, it's coming from an unidentified source near Titan, one of Saturn's moons. Now, based on the energy reading, it's a small, unmanned probe. It's broadcasting a message that keeps repeating. Recruits, this is the perfect opportunity for you to experience firsthand what the Flying Command Center can really do. We need to get up there, and fast, to inspect and identify that signal. Report to the loading area, I'll meet you there. And welcome to the ESD Research and Technology Center.
Recruits, your mission starts now. Good luck, everyone. Godspeed.
Ito PU. Uy, ari kami guys sa ano, front row. Oh, wow. Wow. First time ko sumakay sa ganito. Ang ganda. Tapos kami yung nasa pinaka-front row. I mean, feeling ko lahat magiging front row kasi parang tatayo ata to eh. Ewan ko lang. Tingnan natin mamaya.
good to go. EST operating here at the command center in Kuala Lumpur.
Whoa!
Fighter prototype 2. Ready to come to our defense. Say hello to our squad leader, Wolfman.
With our fighter escort topside.
That's right, man. We are ready for you to guide us through the wormhole generator. What a view! Recruits, have you ever seen Kuala Lumpur like this before? Warmans and Titan are locked and loaded.
All systems are go. Prepare for launch.
Engage wormhole generator.
Wormhole generator at full power.
Okay, prepare for jump to higher speed. Welcome inside, folks. What? That's not cool. Force field generator activated. I'm detecting no signs of life. My scan should have picked them up.
Unless your scan was jammed.
That makes no sense. It's a trap!
Watch the tail, Bravo.
Got multiple targets. Watch your six.
That's the shatter and pick your target. You got close to 12 o'clock.
Watch that clip fire.
Let's get out of here. I'm taking this slow. Hold on.
Where are you, Max? You're into a hornet's nest. Max, where are you?
We're okay for the moment. Strike that. I got one right in front of me. Oh man, our shields are being damaged, firing up his weapons.
Coming back. Front boy occupied, but you, get out of here.
We've got to reach the central core and destroy it.
How?
I can identify the target, but only you have the tech to take it out.
A hybrid torpedo.
Affirmative. That should solve the problem.
Let's move.
Central core, dead ahead.
Powering up.
That's it, Wolfman, light it up. There's our exit. Come on, baby, you can do it.
Holy
I still got power, but I can barely control it. We're coming in hard. Artillery power stabilizes. I think I got it under control.
Hold on, Max. We're picking up an alien signal. Something came down through the wormhole.
In front of us.
Not so fast, little boy.
Man, you're back.
I said I had your back. Nice going, recruits. Not bad for your first mission.
Not bad. I think we just saved the planet. Congratulations, recruits. Today is your Independence Day.
Maganda yung Independence Day na ride. Nakakahilo lang siya konti. Pero bearable naman. At sobrang ganda ng experience. Parang nandun ka talaga sa spaceship at nakikipagsagupaan sa mga aliens. Ito naman kayang Invasion of the Planet of the Apes. Try naman natin to. Tingnan natin kung maganda din. Let's go!
Mayday. Mayday. Anyone on this frequency. Home tower has fallen. Everything we've worked for, destroyed. San Francisco isn't safe anymore. Fellow survivors, friends, we need your help. It's hard to remember what life was like before. We ate in restaurants, went to the theater, wasted time on the internet, and then the virus. Nearly every human on life became war, famine, struggle. But something else happened. The apes. The virus made them smarter. They began to learn and speak, and they found a leader, Caesar. Away from the city, he led his apes in peace. But at our most desperate hour, he helped us. We might have made it.
Maganda yung Planet of the Apes. Para siyang yung ano din, yung Independence Day kanina, kaya lang yung pinakaiba nila, 3D kasi yung Planet of the Apes, bawal sa videohan kasi nga pag binidyo mo, 3D din naman, hindi din naman makukuha ng maganda ng camera. So hindi ko na lang binidyo. Pero same lang sila ng thrill. Maganda din. Ang cool. Ito naman ngayon yung para nasa space station tayo. Ito, tinan nyo. Diba? Lakas maka Starcraft. Diba? Your base is under attack. Welcome to Andromeda Base. Muntik na mag-welcome to Mobile Legends. Yung ibang mga rides hindi ko nasasakyan kasi nga parang na-try ko naman na kasi yung mga ganong klaseng rides. Naghahanap na lang ako ng mga attraction na katulad nung sa Planet of the Apes tsaka Independence Day kasi parang mas maganda yun. Tsaka parang mas naaayon sa edad ko. Kasi parang sa edad ko ngayon pag nag-rides pa ako ng mga ganyan bumabaliktad parang wala na, parang last na eh. Pwede pero isang beses na lang. So tara, ikot pa tayo dito. Grabing mist dito guys, sobrang lamig. Naman tayo ngayon sa Ice Age. Wow! Parang restaurant. Ay, sorry. Box. Wow, look. Parang meron ditong roller coaster. Ang mahiwagang acorn. Ang acorn na bumuo ng 7 continents. Yan. Wow. Ito gusto ko tong roller coaster na to. Expedition Thin Ice. Nice. Okay. Yan o. Oh, Ice Age! Nag-raincoat na ako guys kasi umuulan na. Hindi talaga kaya. So mga tao bumibili na ng mga raincoat. I think konti na lang naman siguro yung na-miss ko. Parang yung gusto ko na lang puntahan is yung Epic na parang themed area nila. And then right after, gusto ko ulit yung Independence Day kasi doon talaga ako nagandahan. Palupat na din ako kaya parang wala ako masyado sa wish yun na mag-vlog kasi lupat na ako, but sige, papakita ko pa rin sa inyo. I'll try my best. Tingnan nyo yung fog, oh. Para kaming nasa Silent Hill na ewan.